According to reports, India has recorded 4 COVID-19 cases of the BF.7 Omicron subvariant in the past 6 months. As per official sources, BF.7 Omicron subvariant is a new variant that has currently caused a rapid surge in China. Out of 4, 3 cases were reported from Gujarat, while another one was from Odisha's Bhubaneswar in the month of July, September and November. However, no more cases have been found so far and the infection wasn't found strong. According to ANI, sources informed that there are currently 10 different variants of COVID-19 in the country, with the latest variant being BF.7. Sources further said that at present, various variants of Omicron are spreading in the country and the Delta variant can still be seen in the country. Surat Municipal Commissioner Bachanidhi Pani informed that on November 18th, a woman in Vadodara with a travel history to America was found BF.7 variant positive. Pani clarified that the woman recovered after home isolation and her condition is normal. He further assured that there is no need to panic and situations are under control. As per the officials, the infected patients were suffering from cough and mild fever. Notably, this came after a sudden surge in COVID-19 cases in the United States, China, Brazil and South Korea, prompted the central government to review the pandemic situation in India. Yesterday, Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia held a COVID review meeting in New Delhi. In this crucial meeting, Mandavia, along with senior officials and experts, discussed the measures that could be taken amid the rise in cases in neighboring China and other countries. Medical experts such as Member of Health of Niti Aayog Dr. V.K. Paul, AIIMS Director M. Srinivas, National Technical Advisory Group on Immunization or NTAGI Chairman N.L. Arora, Indian Council of Medical Research or ICMR Director General Rajiv Bahel and other senior officials participated in the meeting chaired by Mandavia. The BF.7 is an abbreviated form for BA.5.2.1.7. According to reports, it is a sublineage of the Omicron variant BA.5 and has the strongest infection ability since it is highly transmissible and has a shorter incubation period, also has a higher capacity to cause reinfection or infect even those vaccinated. People infected with the BF.7 variant of the Omicron may experience symptoms similar to other subvariants. Reports further suggested that common symptoms of the variant include fever, cough, sore throat, runny nose, vomiting, fatigue, and diarrhea.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.